how to reduce or save data usage on Android. Locate settings on your mobile device. The first thing we have to do in order to achieve this is to enable data saver mode on your mobile device. To achieve this, locate SIM and network settings. Here is SIM and network settings. Click on it. After clicking on it, choose your preferred network. After clicking on your preferred network, check or locate app data usage. This is app data usage. Click on app data usage. To achieve this, keep your mobile network powered on. Your data network, keep it on to achieve this. So check your top far right hand side of your screen to locate the green gear link. Here is it. Click on it. When it opens, locate set data limit. This is it. Enable this. Enable set data limits. Click OK. Click OK again. Then come down to data limits. Click on data limits. Set it to your preferred size also. Like mine, I'll be setting 100 gig. This should span for weeks to a month. So when you are done, you can as well set 100 megabytes. You can as well set gig. When you are done, click on set. Automatically, you have programmed 100 gig to be used for this period that spans between weeks and a month. You can as well allow this to linger for the rest of the year, but you'll be spending this in a month. When you do this, you see that you'll be able to save your internet bundle. Your data usage will be reduced in a month. The second thing you have to do in order to reduce or save data usage on Android is to locate settings on your mobile device. From here, we are to limit background data for specific apps. To begin, you have to go back to SIM and network settings. Click on SIM and network settings. Click on your SIM 1 because we have to do this on both SIM. Click on your most preferred SIM, which is SIM 1. When SIM 1 opens, the next thing you have to do is to go back to app data usage. Click on app data usage. Allow app data usage to open. From here, these are all your apps. Locate your most used app like this Facebook Lite. Click on it. Here it shows that the background data is on by showing this green. Here this is the green, so turn it off to show white. Automatically you have disabled the background data for Facebook Lite. Do this for other apps on this SIM. Check other apps and do this to disable the background data. Like here it shows green, disable it. Go back to other apps to repeat same thing. This particular app is off, that is why it is showing white. Repeat this on all apps to disable the background data of each app. This is on. Click on it to turn white to disable it. Go back to use the second SIM by going here, this city SIM and network settings. Click on the second SIM. Repeat same action by going to app data usage. Click on app data usage to check for most used apps to disable the background data. This is disabled already. Check for other apps and disable. This will help to save your data. Check for your most used app on the second SIM to disable the background data. Do this for other apps, both the SIM 1 and SIM 2, to disable all the apps This will automatically help you to reduce data usage on your mobile device. The third thing we have to do in order to reduce or save data usage on Android is to return to your settings, your phone settings. Open it. This third thing we have to do is to stop notification for some apps. So search for your notification center, or look or locate your notification center on this mobile device. This is the notification center for all apps. For some device, do well to search the device for the app's notification. So when it opens, what you have to do is to focus on some apps that sends more notification. Such apps include Twitter, YouTube, Facebook, and other apps, especially apps that offers news contents. Look for such app and disable. How to disable apps is to over your cursor to the app, click on this to enable your notification. To off your notification, you have to still click it. For example, you are disable your notification for PalmPay. Do this automatically. You have disabled your notification for that app. Search for apps that offers news, or like the Twitter, Facebook, or even YouTube. Search for such app and disable it. Thereby, it will help to reduce your data usage on your mobile device. Each time you install a new app, come to settings, look for app notification to disable such app from giving notification. Like TikTok here, you can see that it is off by showing white, but if you want to on the notification, click on it to turn green, but you have to off it because it gives more notification automatically. When you off it, it will help to save your mobile data. This is the fourth thing we have to do in order to reduce or save data usage on Android. Return to your phone settings. Click on it. This fourth step, we are to disable auto synchronization for accounts on your mobile device. To do this, locate passwords and accounts. Here is passwords and accounts. For some device, you have to search this option, passwords and accounts. When it opens, go down to the bottom of this page to locate automatically synchronize app data. For some phones, it will show auto sync data. What you have to do is to disable this option. As you can see, it is powered on by showing green. What you need to do is to turn it off. Here is it, turn it off. When you turn it off, automatically it will block your data from being used without your authorization. So let me show you what it shows while trying to power it off. Here is it. This will conserve data and battery usage, but you'll need to synchronize each account manually to collect recent information, and you won't receive notifications when updates occur. This will automatically save data usage or reduce your data usage on your Android device. To reduce or save data usage, this is the fifth thing you have to do. The fifth thing is to use available Wi-Fi for downloads, especially your heavy downloads. How to connect to an available Wi-Fi is to open your Wi-Fi by going to settings or using your drop down on your screen on it to locate any available Wi-Fi. So here is an available Wi-Fi. Connect it. After connecting it, automatically you'll be using that Wi-Fi to download, thereby saving or reducing your data usage. Do well to subscribe to this channel. This is Latest Tech. If you have any question, drop it in the comments section below. Like this video, share it to your friends. See you in our next video.